morning to all the employers there. My name is Annalyn Balbin at Kawili, 58 kilograms and 162 centimeters in height. I live in Bilabag, Santiago City. My religion is Roman Catholic and married to Mr. Jerwin at Kawili. We have 4 children. 21 is the eldest and 10 years old is the youngest. My mother's name, Maximina Balbin, and my father's name, Artemi Balbin. They are both farmers. We have 3 siblings in the family, and the second siblings in the family. After my graduation, I decided to work abroad as a helper to help my parents. There are 6 members in the family, the husband, the wife, and their 4 children. And now, I decided to leave my children for their good future because they are all studying. Madam, sir, this is not my first time to go work abroad. That's why I have so much learning working, especially take care of children and housekeeping. Madam, sir, I am kind, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. Especially, I love kids. I love them very much as my own children. Madam, sir, please help me. Look forward to work with you. Thank you and the best.